Last week, MEIZU launched MEIZU Buds TWS in India. These true wireless earphones are unlike any other audio product offered by the company in its home country. We believe it is an ODM product. On the other hand, the smartphone maker has now launched MEIZU POP2S TWS in China as the successor to MEIZU Pop 2 from last year. MEIZU POP2S TWS specifications and features. The newly launched MEIZU POP2S is a minor upgrade over its predecessor MEIZU Pop 2. The new model features the same design and a similar set of features as the older one with slight variations. Talking about the dissimilarities first, the new buds weigh 5.1 grams each compared to the older buds 5.4 grams weight. Further, the new model supports Flyme Quick Pair function on supported MEIZU smartphones and CVC noise reduction algorithm for calls, ENC, electronic noise cancelling. Apart from the above-mentioned changes, the new MEIZU POP2S True Wireless earbuds are identical to its forerunner MEIZU Pop 2. That means it connects via Bluetooth 5.0 and charges via USB Type-C like any other modern TWS. The company claims it to offer a similar 24-hour maximum battery life with a charging case that includes a 350 mAh battery. Whereas, the buds themselves can last up to 8 hours running on their 55 mAh batteries. Last but not least, the buds are X5 certified for sweat resistance, and they also support touch gestures for music control, accept, reject calls, and voice assistant. MEIZU POP2S TWS pricing and availability. Just like their predecessors, the MEIZU POP2S True Wireless earphones are limited to China. The best thing about this TWS is its price, as it costs only 299 yuan, $45. It happens to be 100 yuan, $15, cheaper than its forerunner, which itself was priced 100 yuan, $15, lesser than the original MEIZU Pop. Additionally, the company is offering the MEIZU Pop 2S for 249 yuan, $37. To customers buying MEIZU 1717 Pro. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.